If V bar equal to V bar plus C bar, then is it true that modulus of V bar equal to modulus of V bar plus modulus of C bar? Rectify your answer here. So let us consider three vectors here. Choose any three vectors. A bar is equal to I plus j plus k, and the B bar is I plus 2j minus of k, and the vector C bar is equal to 2I plus j minus of 3k. Three vectors are there. So instead of taking A bar here, take B bar and C bar only. Okay, let us consider B bar is the vector I plus 2j minus k, C bar is the vector 2I plus j minus 3k. Then adding this here, B bar plus C bar, because here B bar is equal to what here? B bar plus C bar. Hence this equal to I plus 2j minus of k, then plus 2I plus j minus of 3k. So this equal to I plus 2I becomes 3I, 2j plus j becomes 3j, minus k minus 3k minus of 4k. So A bar is 3I plus 3j minus 4k. Need to find here modulus of A bar. Modulus of A bar is the root of 3 square is 9 here, plus again 3 square is 9 plus minus 4 square is 16 here. Therefore this equal to root of 16 plus 9, 25 plus 9 gives 34 here, root of 34. Modulus of B bar, here modulus of B bar is the root of 1 square is 1 here, then plus 2 square is 4 plus next minus 1 square is 1 here. That gives a root of 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 becomes 6 here, root of 6. Modulus of the vector C bar is the root of here 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1 and minus 3 square is 9 here. 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14 here, root of 14 here. Yes, modulus of B bar plus modulus of C bar here. Modulus of B bar plus modulus of the vector C bar is equal to root of 6 plus root of 14 here. But this is not equal to root 34 here. This is not equal to root 34. That is not is equal to modulus of A bar here. Therefore, here if A bar is equal to B bar plus C bar, then this is not true here. A modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar plus modulus of C bar is not true. Okay, because both are not equal here. Okay, therefore if A bar is equal to B bar plus the vector C bar, then it is not true that it is not true that modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar plus modulus of C bar. It is not true. So find the value of x for which x into I plus j plus k is a unit vector here. Okay. Take your solution. Here x into bracket I plus j plus k is a unit vector. They are already given here. Unit vector means if the modulus is 1 here, modulus of x into I plus j plus k that is equal to 1 here. Hence the modulus of x into modulus of I plus j plus k, that is equal to 1 here. Okay, because you know that modulus of so take here z1 into z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 here. So you can write here modulus of x into modulus of this one here. So modulus of x into modulus of this vector is the root of 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1 here, 1 square is 1 is equal to 1 here. Hence modulus of x into root of 3 is equal to 1. Modulus of x is equal to 1 upon root of 3 here. If you remove this modulus sign, then write here plus or minus 1 divided by root 3 here. Therefore, the value of x is plus or minus 1 upon root 3. So, which is option in there, March 2019 here. So, Karnataka PU board here. It is a 1 mark question. Okay, it is a 1 mark question here. So find the vector of magnitude of 5 units and parallel to the resultant of the vector a bar equal to 2i plus 3j minus k and a b bar equal to I minus 2j plus k. Resultant of the vector is sum of the vectors here. Okay, therefore first you find it's a sum here. A bar plus b bar is equal to 2i plus 3j minus k plus I minus 2j plus k. Therefore 2i plus I becomes 3i, 3j minus 2j becomes plus j, minus k and plus k get cancels here. Then find its modulus here. Modulus of a bar plus b bar is equal to root of so 3 square is 9 here plus 1 square is 1. So this is equal to square root of 10 here. Therefore unit vector okay parallel to the vector or in the direction of the vector, parallel to the vector a bar plus b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar divided by modulus of a bar plus b bar here. Okay, this is a formula here. So that you know that here a bar is the one vector here. Therefore, its unit vector is given by a cap is equal to a bar divided by modulus of a bar here. So this is a important formula here. So you are using this formula to find the unit vector here. Therefore, a bar plus b bar is 3i plus j divided by modulus of a bar plus b bar is root of 10 here. So this is a formula here. So we are using that formula here. Therefore, we want a vector of magnitude of 5 units here. Therefore, vector of a magnitude 5 units is equal to that multiplied by 5. So 5 into 3i plus j divided by root of 10. This is a unit vector here. So this is a unit vector. We want a vector of magnitude 5 units here. Therefore, multiplying this vector by 5 here, then we get a required vector of magnitude 5 units here. This is the answer. Even here also the same procedure here. They given three vectors here, a bar, b bar, and c bar. Find a unit vector parallel to the vector to a bar minus b bar plus 3 into c bar here. So take a solution. First, find here 2 a bar minus of b bar plus 3 into the vector c bar. 2 into, so I plus j plus k minus of the vector b bar is 2i minus of j plus 3k. Then 3 into c bar here. So 3 into the vector c bar is I minus 2j plus k. Therefore, this is equal to, take 2 inside the bracket here, 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Take minus inside the bracket here, minus 2i plus j minus of 3k. Then plus 3i, 3 to the 6 here, 6j plus 3k. Then plus 2i and minus 2i get cancels here. Therefore, this is equal to, so write this 3i here. So 3 into I here. Then 2j plus j, 3j. 3j minus 6j gives minus of 3j. 2k plus 3k, 5k minus 3k becomes plus 2k. Then find its modulus. Modulus of 2a bar minus of b bar plus 3 into the vector c bar is equal to root of here 3 square is 9 here plus minus 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4 here. That is equal to root of 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4, 22 here. Root of 22. Therefore, unit vector parallel to the vector parallel to the vector 2a bar minus of b bar plus 3 into c bar is equal to the vector 2a bar minus of b bar 3 into the vector c bar here divided by modulus of 2a bar minus of the vector b bar, so 3 into the vector c bar here. Therefore, 3i minus 3j plus 2k divided by modulus of root of 22 here. Root of 22. So this is a unit vector. Okay, here we have to find a unit vector here. So this is required result here. 3i minus 3j plus 2k divided by root of 22 here. Okay. Show that the 3 points of A, B, C are collinear and find the ratio in which B divides ACN. Okay. So the position vectors of given points here. Position vectors of given points are the vector A bar is equal to, so I minus 2j minus 8k. The vector OB is equal to 5i 0j means 0 minus of 2k, and the vector OC is equal to 11i plus 3j plus 7k. Therefore, find here the vector AB here. The vector AB is equal to OB minus the vector Y here. OB minus Y. 5i minus I becomes 4i here minus 2k and minus 2j is there. Minus minus become plus 2j because this minus this there is no j term here. Minus 2k plus 8k becomes plus 6k. Then you can take 2 common factor here. Therefore 2 is the common factor here. 2i plus j plus 3k here. Plus 3k. Take this to this side here. Therefore the vector AB divided by 2 is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k. Take result number 1 here. Need to find here the vector AC here. Here AC is equal to OC minus A. That is equal to 11i minus I becomes 10i here. 3j minus of minus plus 3j plus 2j becomes plus 5j here. 7k plus 8k 15k plus 15k. Here take a 5 common factor here. So 5 is the common factor here. So 2i. Then plus j plus 3k. Plus 3k. And you know that 2i plus j plus 3k is equal to this result. So replace here. So AC bar is equal to, therefore the vector AC bar is equal to right here 5 into this one here AB divided by 2. The vector AB divided by 2 here from 1 here. That replace this one by this here. Therefore AC bar is equal to 5 divided by 2 into the vector AB. So you know the formula or property A bar is a collinear or parallel with the B bar. Then B bar is equal to lambda to A bar here. This is a very important property here. Remember it here. If A bar is a collinear or parallel with the B bar, then B bar is equal to lambda A bar. So here 5 upon 2 is just take a lambda here, constant. Yes, AC bar is equal to 5 upon 2 into AB bar. Means AC and AB are collinear here. Collinear vectors. Therefore AC comma the vector AB are collinear. If the vectors are collinear, then obviously points are collinear here. Therefore the points A, B and C are collinear. Okay, so this is very important here. Remember it here. Next, find the ratio in which B divides AC here. Okay, point A is this one here, C is this one. At what ratio the point B divides AC here? Okay, suppose this is a point A, this is a point B here, and this is a point C here. At what ratio the B divides AC? Therefore, consider its ratio is lambda is to 1 here. Okay. Let B divides AC in the ratio lambda is to 1 here. Okay, therefore use a section formula. B is equal to, okay, so lambda into 1. Lambda into 11 is 11 lambda. Then 1 into 1 is a plus 1 here. divided by lambda plus 1. Take only x coordinate. Now take y coordinate here. Lambda into 3 is the 3 lambda plus 1 into minus 2 becomes a minus 2 here. So this becomes a minus 2 divided by lambda plus 1 here. Then take a z coordinate now. Lambda into 7 lambda 1 into minus 8 minus of 8 divided by lambda plus 1 here. You are using a section formula here. Therefore, here it is a coordinate of part B here. But coordinate of B is already this one here. They are already given. Therefore, so 5 0 minus 2 that is equal to 11 lambda plus 1 divided by lambda plus 1 here. Then 3 lambda minus 2 divided by lambda plus 1. Then 7 lambda minus 8 divided by lambda plus 1 here. Equating x or y or z coordinates here. Choose any one here. I am equating y coordinate because already 0 is there. So simplification becomes very easier. Equating y coordinate here. Therefore, 0 is equal to 3 lambda minus 2 divided by lambda plus 1 here. Take lambda plus 1 this side here. 0 into lambda plus 1 becomes 0 is equal to 3 lambda minus 2 here. Take a minus 2 this side here. Therefore 3 lambda cross multiply 2 upon 3 is equal to lambda here. Therefore lambda divided by 1 is equal to 2 upon 3 here. Therefore lambda into 1 is equal to 2 into 3 here. 2 into 3. Therefore here the required circle is what here? B divides AC internally because this is a positive value, positive quantity. If it is a negative quantity, you consider it as an external division. If it is a positive quantity, then it is an internal division. Therefore, the answer is B divides AC in the ratio 2:3 internally. 2:3 internally here because it is a positive quantity here. So consider it as a internal division. If it is a negative quantity, then it is an external division. And I am equating a y coordinate here. Even you can take equate x coordinate here. You will get the same answer. Even you can equate z coordinate. You will get the same answer only. But here y coordinate is 0. Therefore simplification becomes very simple here, very easy here. Therefore I am equating y coordinates here. Okay.